Heidi. I am driving a Jeep Willys. She is stock. She's my little Isola girl. It's the first time four-wheeling, so this will be fun.
Awesome. Let's go wheeling.
Go this way a little bit. Nice. Cut the knee a little bit. Go ahead. And you're good. Come to me a little bit. Come to me. Take it straight on. You're good. Yeah, the torque of those diesels. Uh-huh. Go to where you're comfortable. And I'll make sure your tires don't drop. Come driver a little bit. What's that? How y'all looking over there? All right, come on.
This one doesn't have any weight on it.
Okay. Put a little weight on her bumper, please. You're good, come on. All right. Just want a flex picture? You want to try to go over? Okay, cool. All right. You want me to take a picture with your phone? it. That's it.
Got it. You don't want this gimbal anymore,
Right
right?
up into this well up here.
That's all right. That just means I get a new one.
You haven't broken anything.
On your credit, not mine.
You going to hit that bumper again? You want to keep going? Huh?
Was it the bumper or is it
It's the plastic open on south bumper. It's up to
the
you.
you buy me a new bumper?
You want to keep going a little bit? What's that? No.
I got the photo.
Okay. I would say my stuff on your first modification is always good. And we got solid recovery points.
That's what we've always.
That's always my opinion of your first modification.
So that's definitely what we just planned on.
Yep.
First thing first.
And there'll be sales coming up. Actually, this weekend coming next weekend.
Really?
Yeah, Labor Day.
That's my favorite. I always ask everyone, what's in your shopping cart?
Selling bumpers, Jeff?
Yeah.
Heidi, thank you for coming out here today.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, absolutely. Why don't you give me a quick rundown about your Jeep?
So this is my 2021 Willys. She is as stock as they come.
Awesome.
She's got these lovely mud terrain tires that at first I thought were added, but apparently they're not. I don't know anything about my Jeep other than she's a
shopping cart,
Willy.
right?
Yep, exactly.
Awesome. And I love I know I mentioned this earlier, all your teal accents.
Yes, so baby blue teal is what she will be mixed with.
Okay.
She is my Isola, which is Italian for island. So she's
Okay.
my Isola girl, my little island girl. So we are going with light blues, teals, and then the orange of the island Jeep.
Okay. Awesome. And
just
did you
because
find
I love
those
it.
on Amazon?
I got them on Amazon, yeah.
Okay, very cool.
Yep.
Awesome. Well, did you have fun out at the Proving Grounds today?
I had an amazing time. I
Awesome.
did a lot of giggling. And it was,
You did.
it was quite fun.
I heard your passenger did a lot of giggling too.
He did do a lot of giggling and a lot of bouncing around, which made it even funnier.
Awesome. Now, which one was your favorite?
It's hard to pick because they were all really fun. I think I enjoyed going over the mountain the most.
Mount Flexmore.
Mount
okay.
Flexmore. I'm horrible with names, but I think
okay.
I enjoyed the second time I went over Mount Flexmore because I decided to come up a harder angle and then we dropped down, and that was quite amusing. And then, I mean, all of it was fun. I enjoyed it all. I like the logs too. That's probably
logs,
my
yeah.
second favorite.
Awesome.
Yep.
Yes, because I know you were a beginner. So
Yes.
did we
First
do
time.
adequate with beginner today?
Oh, you absolutely did. Jeff was an amazing spotter, as
Shout
was
out to
everybody
Jeff.
else. Shout out, Jeff. Everybody was amazing. It made me feel much more relaxed than when I first started, having lots of support going through it.
Oh, good.
So it's definitely recommend for any first timers.
Awesome. Yes, and you did the easy path, like you said, over Mount Flexmore, but
Yep.
then you got braver and did the hard path.
I did, yep,
Built up that level.
yep.
You did it though.
And I sure did. Almost lost the bumper, but you know, that's what you get for having stock bumpers.
Awesome. So would you recommend everyone coming out here?
I would recommend 100%.
Thank you. We like to hear that. Well, thank you
Yes.
for joining us
Thank
today.
you so much.
Yes, and for all of you at home, you can find us at w2wparks.com or W2W on Proving Grounds on Facebook.
All right, let the Jeep do the work. Come on, you're good, you're good. Nice and easy. There you go. Come on. All right, stop for a second.
Man, for a stock rig, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah,
Let me know how much room's got to back up. I want you to back up just a little bit.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Hey,
Back up a little bit.
Jeff.
Stop.
All right.
Jeff. Jeff.
Jeff.
She says she doesn't want a new bumper yet. So
Huh?
She
does not want a new bumper yet.
I can't.
She does not want a new bumper yet.
Oh, you don't want a new bumper yet?
Not in your shopping cart yet? Are you kidding me?
All right. cut you this way. All right, you're gonna come down simultaneously. Come on. There you go. Straight ahead, straighten up, straighten up. There you go. Off to your left.
Jeff, those halos look so good.